Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect TradingView to NinjaTrader. The first thing I want you to do is just open up any stock, crypto, anything from the market. So we'll go ahead and do NVIDIA for this example. We have this opened up. Right here's the ticker. But what I want you to do is open up the chart. So let's click here on full chart. And then what I need you to do, here at the bottom, you'll see Pine Editor and Trading Panel. Okay, click on this to open up the trading panel. And then here you'll see all the different brokers you can connect through. So we need to just scroll down until we see NinjaTrader. So click on Show All Brokers. Scroll down, you should see NinjaTraders right here. Go ahead and click on it. And then all you need to do is connect either your live or demo account. So you enter your NinjaTrader username, your password, and then you hit connect. That's all you have to do. It will be connected. And if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.